Yeah, it's a very proud moment for all of us, not only for the crew but also for the teams which have been involved together. This boat is the first one to be having indigenized set of batteries. So it goes ahead with our one notch up in our Atmanirbhar Bharat concept, and it also has advanced communication suite of indigenous make. So it has taken this concept much further. The heavyweight torpedoes are the ones which are the primary mode of weaponry that is on board, as well as the exocet missiles. So both these are the primary mode of weapons that we are carrying on.
Hello, I am Lieutenant Commander Nimish Deshpande. I am the navigating officer on board the submarine. So I am responsible for taking the submarine out and bringing her in safely. So the first two were slightly different because the training and all thing, the trials, we had included the French people. But on the third and fourth submarine is totally Indian made. So there is no foreign involvement in this. Only we have taken some of the technology to build the submarine, and Mazgaudak has built it very well, and we have done the trials, and the submarine is very potent platform, and our neighbors and they'll be afraid of such a platform. So if you consider the weapon systems, we have got one of the most advanced weapons, like we have got the torpedoes against the ships, we have got missiles also against the surface targets, and with respect to sensors, we have acquired some of the sensors from different countries, so which are state-of-the-art sensors with which we can do all kinds of operational in day, night, and even when underwater we are very quiet. So that way it's a very advanced platform. So agar speed dekha jaye, I have served on other submarines also, India has got. So this is one of the new submarines. It is the quietest, it is the most hydrodynamically built, and jo speed jo hai submarine ka, it is very much comparable to any other submarine in the world. It can travel as fast as any other foreign conventional submarine. So because we have done the trials and we have seen her perform the best.